In this video, I'm going to show you how to install extensions on Google Chrome in 2025. It's very easy. Just open Google Chrome and search for Chrome Web Store. This will open up. And from here, click on extensions and you can find whatever extension that you want to install. Let's look at maybe, let's say I want one for ad blocker. Ad blocker extension here for YouTube, sure. Now once you've done that, all you do is click add to Chrome. Then you add the extension here. Now once you've done that, it has been added to Chrome. So how do you mess with it? So you click on this little box here that says extensions. You click on manage extensions and here you can turn them off and turn them on. You can click on the details here. You can update it from here. You can give it site access and you can also delete it or remove it from here. And that is it. That is how you install extensions on Chrome. If this video helped you, please leave a like and I'll see